Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can cancel a policy on your Progressive insurance. In order to do so, first of all, open up any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in a link that is www.progressive.com. Once you type in a link, you'll be taken to its official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on this page, you need to select whether you want to cancel the policy of your bundle and saves or your auto, and then a property or recreational. So then select the product accordingly. And once you tap on the link, you'll be taken to its official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Unfortunately, there is no such direct method of canceling your policy on your Progressive insurance. So to cancel your policy on your Progressive insurance, you'll either have to contact a customer care through a phone call or an email, or you can live chat with them. For example, let's say that if you want to contact a customer care through a phone call, then you can see right on top there is the toll-free number displayed. You'll need to type in the number, and after that you need to state about the information, and then the customer care will look into your matter. And to contact them through an email, you'll need to click on About Us, which is right on top. As soon as you click on About Us, a pop-up will appear right in front of your screen. Now click on Resources in the left-hand side bar. After you click on Resources, slightly scroll down, and right at the bottom in the left-hand side bar, there is an option as Chat Now. Click on it. After that, you'll be taken to the help center, and you'll be provided with different alternatives, such as you can either live chat with them, or else you can contact them through a phone call, or you can send them an email. So select either one of these following options and then state about the issue with all of the necessary information that is asked. Usually it will take 24 hours to respond, so all you have to do is wait patiently until then. In this way, you can cancel policy on your Progressive insurance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.